But first, let's grab a cup of coffee and just think about what we're going to do for the day. I like to usually gather up my empty bins and baskets and see if I can put them to some good use elsewhere. And of course, just a little refresher from Marie and get some tidying ideas into my head before I start. So here you can see my cabinets don't look too bad. I use stackables and turntables in them, and anytime I get a chance, I repurchase them when they're on sale. This is my coffee bar, and right above it is my cabinet that I keep. Oh, sorry, this is my other cabinet, and I do use the turntables there. And of course, my last little snowflake ice skate Christmas tree has to come down. I've kept it up in the kitchen, but it's almost Valentine's. And I love using letters. It kind of like that Ray and Dunn effect on my walls, and I got these cute little letters at Hobby Lobby, and I just needed something for that part of the wall. So just kind of looking around, sprucing up my Hoosier and tidying up a bit. And it looks like this is kind of spring ready, but now for the deed. It's the pie safe. So I'm emptying out the drawers, and this is the before, kind of everything just sort of thrown in there. Really needs to be reorganized. These are all of my very favorite bowls, dishware, cookingware that I use on a routine basis. So starting with the drawers and trying to just get them tidied up.
Well, here I go, back to the drawing board, and I'll show you the finished pie safe when I've completed it. This gorgeous, beautiful bowl, to be careful here, is a Watt 12, made in the USA. This was a bowl. As you can see, it's well loved. That belonged to my grandmother. I adore it. I love it. I was lucky enough to get it, and I'm very cautious with it. Very cautious with it, because I would be very sad if it broke. And here's just a couple of, I think this is Pioneer Woman. I needed that size. Just a couple of serving plates, and of course, Corningware. Who doesn't remember Corningware? With the lid, it's a great little roaster. It's fabulous. And just, again, an assortment of bowls. And I think this one, oh yeah, this is another bowl that goes over with the collection of those mason bowls. But I was just trying to figure out some stacking. And these I pick up at TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Home Goods, and these are made in Italy. I love these. They're great. They keep food super, super hot. They're great in the oven. You can even put them on the burner. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. So, and this might be something that's going to get donated, because I find that I'm not really using that size. So we'll see.
As I said, this is my grandmother's bowl. I don't use it. I'm afraid of breaking it, so I just have it for basically display and keepsake. These are my nesting Pyrex bowls that they're my first set that I bought back in 1978. And this is a Shawnee corn bowl. I picked this up at, I think, a flea market. I just thought it was cute. This is a bread baker bowl. I've made several different dessert breads in it. It's great for that. And these are my mason cash bowls that I've collected over the years. They're made in England, and I love them. And yes, this is my before messy and what it looks like after I got it organized, and I'll show more pictures of that. And it really is just so nice once it's all put back and looking Marie Kondo. This is my next project, the drawers. And of course, after all that work, I really worked up an appetite. So I am making what's called adult tuna noodle casserole. This casserole was so delicious, guys. I even made my own homemade mushroom soup. Oh my goodness, yummy. And then to top it off, just a little bit of salt and vinegar chips. It is really adult. It has sour cream and cream cheese in it and lots of beautiful noodles and cheese. And it was so simple and so easy to make. I just had to share it with you because it was really hearty and I did work up an appetite.
Now I'm just stirring all of the cheese with the mushroom soup. And this happens to be homemade mushroom soup. And I can't even describe to you how delicious it is. It's a recipe from the Pioneer Lady. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. Amazing. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little more cheese because we like it cheesy, and then the chips on top. And here it is, guys, all ready to go into the oven.